Hey guys, welcome to Deodom. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called search array with adjacent diff at most k. Okay, so this is an easy problem. Let's try to solve this problem. First, try it yourself and then see the solution. So let's start. So we have given a step array. Its step value is k. We need to find the index of key x, okay, in the array. Okay, so we have given two variables k and x, and so we have to find index of key x in the array. Okay, so if there are multiple occurrence of x exist, then return its first occurrence of the key. Okay, so let's say if our x is 5 and that x has been occurred multiple times in the array, then we have to return its first occurrence. Okay, in case no occurrence of key x exists, so we have to return -1. Okay, if there is no key of x is present in the array, so we have to return -1. Okay, and here one note also given. So a step array is an array of integers where the difference between adjacent elements is at most k. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, so we have given an input array this. Okay, our step value is k and our key is 6, so we have to find 6 element in the array. Okay, as you can see at index 2 the first occurrence of the 6 is there, so we have to return its index. Okay, so here explanation is also given. In an array 6 is present at index 2, so we have to return. So next example is we have given this input array and our step value is 20. Okay, and our x is 70, so we have to find 70. So in the array no 70 element is present in this array, so we have just written -1. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. Let's start writing the code. So here we will create a variable as n. Okay, and we will assign array of length in that, and next what we'll do, we'll run a loop. Int as equal to 0, I should less than our n, and I will get updated. And here we will check if our array of I is equal to x. Okay, so x is the targeted value, and if there is, so we have to return its index. Okay, otherwise we have to just return the -1. Okay, so this is the code. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. As you can see, our compilation has been completed and the test cases has been passed. So our output is 1 and expected output is also 1. So here you can give the custom array also. Okay, but I will not give. Now let's submit the code. As you can see, the test cases has been passed and our code has been get submitted successfully. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.